overall equipment efficiency and how it can be beneficial for your business. Hello everyone, my name is Isha Taneja, and in this video we are going to discuss about why OEE is important for your business. Overall equipment efficiency is also known as OEE, and it is a golden standard of measuring your manufacturing productivity. OEE identifies the percentage of time that is truly productive. How it can help your business? It identifies the losses. It helps you to identify the benchmarking productivity. It helps you to identify if this is the right time to change your machine or the equipment so that you can increase the productivity. And it helps you to understand the manufacturing time. So with these factors, you can take the better decisions for your business. Now let's discuss how we can calculate overall equipment efficiency. There are three factors that is involved in order to calculate OEE: availability, performance, and quality. Let's talk about availability. Availability helps to identify the availability time of a machine. That means you can understand your planned and unplanned stops, and then how much time the machine is available to produce the goods is your availability. How you can calculate the availability is the number of hours, that is the run time of an asset, divided by the estimated number of hours of an asset. Second factor is quality. It identifies the number of products that is actually usable. The number of products that are usable in a given time divided by the number of products that has been actually produced defines your quality. So by this you can estimate the number of defects in each cycle, and you can take the decisions how you can reduce the number of defects, and this can help you to increase your business. Third factor is about the performance. The slow cycles can actually impact the number of goods that has been produced. So in order to calculate the performance, you can consider the number of units that has been produced in a given time divided by the number of units which are thought that you can produce in a given time will actually define the performance. So by taking the appropriate decisions at an appropriate time, you can increase the productivity and decrease the number of defects, and hence this will have a good impact in your business. How you like this video? Please comment in the below section. Thank you. See you next video.